Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to withdraw crypto on on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and actually download Coinbase application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like actually to go and open the application, of course, then click at get started to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Coinbase application, as you should, of course, or as you already did, to follow this tutorial steps. So as you can see, after the application opens, that will actually be your home or your main screen. Your currency will depend on the phone number entered. So whatever the phone number from, so let's use an example, your phone number from America, you will find your currency as a dollar. If you go here to the asset, so for me it's not USD or dollars. So let's just go back to the idea of this video on how to withdraw crypto. So all you need to do on this home page, of course, you can find it here, or you can go and click at pay here. You can click here at send, or you can go just from home and click at send as well. So for me, as you can see, you don't have any accounts from which sending is allowed. So for me, withdraw and deposit is not allowed because I'm using this Coinbase on a simulator. But for you, all you need to do, just select the currency or the crypto that you want to withdraw, just click on that. Then all you need to do, just choose the transfer destination. So maybe you would like to go and copy an address of a wallet that you want to withdraw to, or something like that. Then all you need to do, review or enter the amount that you want to cash out or withdraw, then review your order. Then all you need to do, just tap at cash out, and you will complete this action. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.